Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm going to show you something a little different today. A few years ago, I finished off the basement, partially finished basement, and when I was doing it, I tend to overthink things, and I said to myself, well, I might later on want to get, wires back and forth from either end of the house. After I put the ceiling in, how am I going to get wires and pipes through in the event that I need to make any alterations or changes? So I just wanted to show you what I put together, what I came up with. I thought it might help you if you're ever refinishing your basement or might want to run wires and pipes, and you can create this kind of little thing that I've got here. So what you've got here is an area that I boxed in. I've got a 1x here on the end and a piece of trim work, and what it's holding up here with these clips that you can buy at your local home improvement store, or if you want I could even link to them in the description below. These clips are keeping a piece of paneling that I custom cut to fit in here, okay? And I'm going to open this up in a second and I can show you how this works. Okay, so this piece of plywood comes down, and now inside you've got all of your wires and pipes that you're running through. All right, now, so if you notice, I've got a piece of trim here where the plywood can just slip right in and rest right on here, and then you bring it across, and this little clip will hold it up. This allows plenty of room. You can see all of the everything I've got going on in here. You can run all kinds of new things, keep it nice and neat with some zip ties, plenty of room to get from one end here. I've got a crawl space back here beyond these doors where we got some storage, and then all the way down to the other side where crawl space again on this end. Okay, we can run everything right through from one end to the other basically by boxing everything in. It's just like about a 3-inch drop from the ceiling up against the wall, and all of these sections of plywood that I cut down and then painted with these little clips that hold it up. It's pretty simple. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about how I did this, you want me to explain farther in some of the comments, I will. But I thought this was an interesting idea that I came up with a few years ago, and I was sitting down here the other day. I looked at it and I said, you know what, maybe I should make a video about this and show everyone how I did this, because it's really creates really a helpful access point in a finished basement where, if I had just continued with the sheetrock across, it would have been a problem, and I wouldn't have been able to fish the wires through again. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If it helped, if you liked it, think it's a great idea, hit that like button. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.